cut this and start again because this ending is terrible. Hi, I'm back. I don't know if this is going to be my first video in a long time or second. I don't know, but I haven't filmed for a while. Well, I haven't uploaded anything. At the time of filming this, my last upload was probably 3 months ago. Yeah, maybe 4. I've been busy, I've been working. But today I thought I might do a video doing a full face of makeup with my favourite products or makeup products from 2020. So these are going to be products I bought in 2020. Whoa, 2021. Wow, we're at the end of 2021. These will either be products I found and brought in 2021 or products that I've just picked up again and like really loved this year. I'm not really sure quite what kind of look I'm going for, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So the first thing I like to do is prime. I do not have a favourite primer. I always forget to prime in general, but I'm going to use this pore filler. I'm going to use this pore filler primer by NYX. I've used this probably like once or twice. Right, so I've primed. Next thing I'm going to do is conceal. I got this concealer not too long ago and it's quite good, the Revolution Pro in C12, sorry. I'm just going to dab that on with my finger. I'm going to dab it in a little bit, just a little bit, and then let it set. I'm just going to add a little bit to my head as well, and a little bit over this lovely massive spot there. Okay, so I've left my concealer to set a little bit, and then I'm just going to pat that in. Leaving your concealer to set is a very important part of your routine. So I've been doing it a lot recently and it's really just helped with getting a better coverage out of my concealers on my under eyes. I'm gonna just take my brow gel thing. I don't really do much with my brows because they were microbladed. I need to get them redone. I just brush my brows up with the brow gel. For contour, I'm going to use this matte base concealer in the shade F15, just slightly. I don't like to contour too much. As you can tell, not really a massive part of my routine, but since I am doing a full face look, I add that. When blending your contour, you want to brush upwards. Now for a little bit of glow, I'm going to use this NYX Born To Glow. I really like this. I got this in my Christmas advent calendar and I've used it like 2 or 3 times, and so far I really like it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it on my finger and then just tap it in here where I want my highlight to be. And just like, it's not overly glittery, it just gives you a really nice natural kind of glow under your foundation. Now I've got to blend in my nose contour. I'm gonna blend that in. Now we're gonna get to one of my favorite products. Like, this has got to be one of my favorite buys of the year. It is a very close contender to one of my favorite buys of the year, and it wasn't that expensive. It's this super dewy liquid blush from Makeup Revolution. It's in the shade Blush Me Up. This, wow, it was like £7 or £9, so not too expensive, and it's not a full coverage blush, which my other blushes are quite bang in your face. So when I use them when I'm not really wearing that much makeup, because normally on most of the time I don't wear a lot of makeup, if any. This blush is it's just the blush I needed. Like, it just is. I can't explain it. Let me show you. And I get this fluffy brush and I just sort of dab and fluff it in. You want to brush upwards also with your blush to give it like a sort of lifting effect. And bang. Like, it's just quite a natural, just it's just amazing. Like, I can't get over how good this blush looks, and I've literally used it with every single makeup look. You know? No? Okay. Anyways, now that's the under the face bit done. Now we go for foundation. Now this has got to be one of my most expensive buys of 2021. And it was at a time where it was just a rubbish time. Like, it just was a rubbish time. It's like a really rubbish week. You know when you have one of those weeks where everything goes wrong? Like, bang, 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 and it just gets progressively worse as the week goes on. I was having one of those weeks, and I was just like, you know what? I need a pick-me-up. I need a pick-me-up. So, I bought myself Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm going to take one pump for now. It's a really nice shade match, and then I'm just going to pat that on, or I don't really have any coverage. Oh gosh. Oh, this brush is really good. Sorry, it's my first time using this brush. So you want to focus it on the areas where you don't really already have a product. Then sort of blend in. Like, it literally is just giving my skin but better. And that's with one pump. And I'm not going for like the most strong foundation today, so I'm only going to do one pump. But one pump gives me this. It just gives. That's all I can say. This brush though, this brush is very good. Okay, now it's time for my favourite concealer. This concealer has literally gotten me through 2021. And it's in the shade Caramel, so number 40. Was it 30? Can't remember. It's in the shade Caramel. And another way to explain it is it just works for me. Like, I put it here. I can concentrate it here. And then I do a little bit on the outside here. And then I dab a little bit here because I have fairly dark under eye circles. But I don't have too much product on the wand when I dab it here. Right, and I leave that to set. And I can't explain how much I love this concealer. Like, it's not the most full coverage by any means, but it just gives what I want to be given. Like, I wear this when I'm not really wearing like a full makeup face. It would normally just be concealer and blush maybe, and it just brightens up my face and just gives me what I need. It just works. I can't explain it. It just works for me. So while I'm waiting for this to set, actually, I'm just going to use the same concealer but in the shade C13 just to bronze me up a little bit because it's more of a warmer colour. I don't own a bronzer, so I'm going to add that here and here again. This time a little bit thicker because I want to be a little bit more bronzed. And I've made my placement a little bit higher. Normally I used to put it here, but I've just made it a little bit higher because I feel like it just gives it extra zhuzh. And then on my forehead, just want to look a little bit more bronzed. And then I'm just going to add a little bit brighter concealer. This is C10, the Makeup Revolution one. I'm just going to add a little bit here, just to brighten up here a little bit. Pat, pat, pat. And then just to add just a tiny bit of brightness to under eye, just going to add 2 dots of this. I don't like my under eye too bright. Finishing powder. It's quite good. I got it in my advent calendar, as I said. Haven't really had any problems with it. It doesn't give too much flashback, which is great. And it gets the job done. Not my favourite product, but then I don't think a powder will ever be one of my favourite products because I'm not a massive powder girl, you know? It's the NYX Utopia Brown Shimmer. Now, I got this and I used it for the first time and it was insane. It was amazing. And I was obsessed. So I used it again the next day. But as I was taking it out, it dropped and the whole thing cracked. So I had to sort of do like a botched fix-up job of it. Because there was no way I was letting this go. Because I'm obsessed with this shimmer. And I've been doing this a lot. I've probably been doing this for the past 3 weeks. Sorry, this is very recent. I got a lot of makeup recently. And it was a lot of good makeup. And I just put this in my inner corner. Like this. And then in my inner corner like this. And then blend, blend, blend. Then I blend a little bit more. And then I would take like a brown and then just pop it on my under eye. Because I don't really want shimmer on my under eye. That's my go-to eyeshadow look. I go for a simple brown eyeliner. These Poundland eyeliners will probably forever be my favourite eyeliners. They're just so easy to use and they just work for me. So yeah, do a little bit of eyeliner. In a corner, I just add a tiny bit. Thin line to connect it. Okay, so that's eyeliner done. Now, mascara, the Maybelline Sky High Mascara is just amazing. It's really good and it's not too clumpy. And it just adds length, like it just works. And for someone who's tried a lot of mascaras and none of them work, this one is really good. Now for lips. Now this lip liner is unbeaten. It's by a small business called Nessa K. Shout her out because her lip glosses and lip liners are amazing. But particularly this lip liner is in shade Havana and it's a brown. And it's just perfect. Like I wouldn't change a thing about it. It's super creamy and it's super pigmented. Now just watch because I can't do lip liner while talking. It just gives what I want it to give. That's all I can say, really. I brought this shade, Butterscotch, and I've never looked back. The NYX Butter Glosses are amazing. They're so good that after I bought this, I switched out my normal Revolution advent calendar that I get every year for the NYX one, because you get a bunch of mini ones and I wanted to try the colours. So I'm going to use shade Brownie Dip today. Their glosses just look like, what more do I want? What more do I want from a lip? Nothing. Nothing. And the thing about these lip glosses is they're not only just glossy, they're very hydrating for your lips. Like a lot of glosses dry your lips out. This doesn't. This doesn't dry my lips out one bit. It leaves them feeling amazing. What else do I need to do to finalise this look? Setting spray. I don't have a favourite setting spray. I don't care about setting sprays. But this cute little Friends one is super cute and it's from Makeup Revolution and it's Friends and I love Friends. So this is the final look. I'm not going to be taking any pictures in this because, what's the time? Ooh, I'm going out tonight. So this is the final look. I'm not going to dress up and take pictures with this look because I need to go somewhere. So I need to take this makeup off and get ready to go out. This look took me about 40 minutes and that's with all the talking to the camera. So there's 40 minutes in total that I filmed. So without the talking to the camera, I reckon this would have taken me like 30 minutes max to do this makeup look. It's a lovely beat, like it's full coverage enough. it's like an event, like maybe not an evening event, because I feel like an evening event could do with a little bit more bang, but let's say like a late afternoon, or going out with the girls to some place that's not too bougie but you still look cute. This could even Sunday morning church, if you have time like that. I never do, I'm always running late on Sunday morning, but if you're one of those prepared people who likes to do their makeup before church, this look would work. This look is quite beginner friendly. There wasn't too many hard techniques. And yeah, thanks for watching. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in quite a long time, and I really do enjoy doing them. So whenever I have time, I will be uploading more. Just because I find it really fun, and I hope you enjoy them too. I don't know, but yeah. I hope you learned something. I hope you picked up some new tips and tricks from this video. And yeah, I've been ending this video for a long time. 10 minutes. No way this outro. No way I've been doing this outro for 10 minutes. That's longer than the whole video is going to be probably. Anyways, guys, peace out. I'll see you in... Ew, peace out. It's disgusting. Bye, guys. I will see you in the next video. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, blah, blah, blah. Lots of engagement, please, if you can. It really helps when you, like, take time to comment, even if it's just, like, a little comment or a like or something. It helps me. It boosts my ego. That's literally it. I'm really not looking to grow the channel that much, but it just boosts my ego. Give me a little bit of ego boost over this Christmas. Nah, I don't like that either. Later.